Many of you don't know now that Chatta has to feature on their app. Yes, if you're familiar with the app called Chatta, now they have to feature on their app, which is live streaming app and live streaming part and chatting part. The one we all are aware of is the live streaming part, but they just launched chatting app on the same app, chatting part on the same app. So if this interests you or you want to know about the other side of the app, watch this video to the end. What you need to do to have access to the chatting parts and how to earn and so many more. Hello, my name is Rachel and this is Make Money with Rachel. On this channel, we talk about how to make money online, things we can learn through our mobile phone and we'll turn it to a cool cash. We test apps and we bring it to you 100% legit and without stress. So back to what I'm saying about Chatter. Chatter is a live streaming app. If you don't know about live streaming is like a app you download on your phone and you start using. You connect with people, you talk to people, you work on them. People that find you worthy of gifting, they will gift you. People that find you like you are entertaining you talk to them, they gift you, they send you friend requests and so many more. And the app also pay you for doing all those things on the app. So, but now Chatter just launched another part on their app, which is chatting parts. Some people don't really like to show their face on the app, like okay, talking, engaging with people. So that's why people want chatting parts. So now they have launched the chatting parts. How do you get to because if you go and rush to chat app and go and download it, you're not going to get the chatting part. That's the honest truth about it. You're not going to get that part. It is until someone drop you the invitation link to the chatting part, that is where you get access to the chatting part. And what are the things you need to know before joining the chatting part? If you know you make money more on your live streaming part on Chatter, I will advise you not to join the chatting part. But if you know you have not joined Chatter before or the live streaming part is not really paying you, you can go to the chatting part. And on the chatting part, you will meet new people. People will engage with you. They will send you messages, tons of messages that you yourself you will get tired of replying. And the more you reply, the more you get paid. That's the beautiful part on the chatting part on Chatter. So, how to make more money on Chatter on the chatting part? You need to put in a good picture, like a attractive picture that will make people to want to chat with you, some want to talk to you. And if you don't know how to go about it, I'll be creating another video where I'll be teaching you how to edit your picture on ChatGPT and Gemini AI, where your picture will look beautiful and more attractive. So that being said, if you want to know more or if you want to download this chatting part on Chatter, I'll be putting the link to my Telegram channel where you can join me. And if you don't have Telegram, you can join me also on my WhatsApp group. That is where I am most active. I'm active on Telegram and on WhatsApp because so many messages on my page on this channel. It may have used like 1 or 2 days before I get to know that somebody messaged me. But if you want to really get to know about this Chatter and download it, have access to it, join my WhatsApp or Telegram channel. That's where I'll be dropping more updates on the app. And so many updates is also on the channel on Telegram and also on WhatsApp. So that being said, I will see you all in my next video. And if this is your first time of coming across my video, please do well to subscribe to this channel. It means a whole lot to me. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to your baby girl. Thank you so much. And if you find this video helpful, please do share it to your loved ones and also comment because with that and share, YouTube is going to recommend this video to another people that also want to learn one or two or make money online with their mobile phone. I will see you all. Bye bye.